You fucking love it, don't you?
Yes, I do. I'm going to make a vlog. We're going to Snowdon.
Yeah, we are.
And I've got pink eye.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what to make of that.
I woke up and I've got like a really dodgy eye. So firstly, we need to go and get some anti-inflammatories, and then we're on the way to Snowdon. Yes. So we're still sat outside Josh's house because he forgot his boots, and we got like 10 miles away. We go again?
Yeah, see what else I forgot. Go on then.
So we're here. We've actually arrived
3 hours later
in Snowdonia. Where are we, by the way?
We are in North Snowdonia and we're heading up to Devil's Kitchen.
Devil's Kitchen. Let's see what he's cooking up, shall we? This is the bit where Josh realises how unfit I am.
That's not me.
We'll see. Wales. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna pose like we're somewhere epic and scenic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Devil's Kitchen, which to be honest should be called Devil's Waterfall, because that's exactly what it is, a big ass waterfall. I really wish I never brought this jacket with me. I got too hot and I had to take it off, so now I'm loose. Look at Josh testing out that North Face waterproof. The car is parked like along there somewhere. Where are we, Josh? What are we doing?
Packing up for Snowdon.
Yeah.
You got your gear.
Lovely.
Now this. Forget poles, forget food, forget drink. This right here is your high quality sleeping mask. If you want to sleep in a tent.
I think mine's a slight bit heavier than yours.
Mine's more expensive.
I don't know.
Sorry, have you got
mine's this bad.
anti-gravity, mate?
Yeah, I don't have the anti-gravity, but I've got a little bit more size on Josh. What litre are you?
50.
I'm a 65. So naturally I'm bigger than Josh. It's about how you use the litres, apparently. So the plan is we're going to hang around here and wait for the park and ride, which will take us a couple of miles up the road, which yes, we are not hiking up the road because it's dodgy, dangerous, and also we need to be fresh for our little walk up the hill. It's going to drop us off at the bottom of the hill and then we're going to walk our way up. That's the plan. Leg number 2. We're at Penu Pass. How's he say?
Penu Pass.
Penu Pass. And the driver was trying to explain how to say it to us. Sounds a bit dodgy, but yeah. So we are there. and we're going to head up towards the crib path that we originally wanted to go on, and then just veer off to the left a bit because it's probably a bit too dodgy today. Say again?
Accidentally end up on crib.
Yeah, but that is crib. That big mountain edge there. We are not going up there. We're going to head around to the left of it. Hopefully get up in time to pitch up the tents before the sun goes down. We're already about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours later than we thought we would, because we were having so much fun by the waterfall. But yeah, let's go. Made it to the top of that track. That was one of the hardest treks I've ever done in my life.
A bit windy.
I'm definitely out of shape. You gonna give me a leg massage? Worth a shot. Are you not fucked? He's so young. My legs just dead. I'll see you at the top. Pitched up, we found, I'll show you in the morning where we are, but gonna have some food. I'll show you the tent. I don't know if you can, let me pump this volume up a little bit. So that's my tent. Yes, that's what Josh is in. I'm hoping you can kind of see this, but yeah, it's the Aplkit Kangri 4-season mountain tent. Josh is in the Vango Nova 300 3-man tent, so he's going to be nice and cozy and spacious in there tonight. There he is. And call it a night. So I'm in my tent. Got my thermorest Neo Air. The Kangri's got these great pockets on it all the way down the inner. You can just stuff things into. And then I've got a glacier down sleeping bag. This goes to -40, so I am not going to get cold tonight at all. That's the plan. I'm going to go to sleep. See you in the morning.
I've definitely done more than 19,000 steps, which this watch is telling me I've done.
It's the next morning. We're starting to strip down the tent. That's the inner to my tent. And my eye just feels really bad. Josh, how did you sleep?
Iffy.
Iffy, but you guys didn't see this obviously because it was dark, but we slept next to this last night. So yeah, and use this wall as a bit of wind shelter, even though it wasn't very sheltered. We've worked down to, where are we, Josh?
Who fuck knows, I don't know.
We don't know where we are, but we're at a bus stop.
Everything's in Welsh.
Everything's in Welsh. We're at a bus stop and we're hoping that the bus will take us back to where my car is. I'm going to sign off here and finish this because I am so tired and I cannot be bothered to carry on. Thanks for watching. See ya.